Are you tired of shelling out dough for software subscriptions? I've been using free open source solutions as long as I can remember, because I'm cheap. Today, I'm going to show you some alternatives that can save you a ton of money. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. So first, I'm going to talk about an Office suite that will replace Microsoft Office. We all know Microsoft Office costs you monthly or annually. LibreOffice is a great replacement for Microsoft Office. It's completely open source and it doesn't cost a thing. You can make donations on the website, but it won't cost you anything if you need to use it. LibreOffice includes a word processor for creating documents, a spreadsheet program, presentation software so you can create great presentations, and you can even open and edit PDF documents in LibreOffice Draw. All of this software is great. I've been using it for years, and I suggest everybody gets it. Next, we're going to talk about image editing software. GIMP is a great replacement for any of those image editing softwares that cost you monthly or annually. GIMP is a very easy to use software that has all kinds of tools and editing capabilities. You can use layers here. They have filters. You can create all kinds of great images with this software. Now I'm going to talk about video editing software. I've used things like OpenShot Video Editor, and I've also used Microsoft Clipchamp. I've used other programs as well, but these are the two that I have immediately available. I've never used DaVinci Resolve, but I've heard great things about it. I'm actually going to edit this video using DaVinci Resolve. Let me know in the comments what you think of DaVinci Resolve or any of these other programs. This is a great free replacement for any of the other expensive software you don't feel like paying for. Finally, I'm going to talk about a free alternative for creating and editing vector graphics. Inkscape is a professional quality vector graphics editor which runs on Windows, Mac, or Linux. This software is used by professionals and hobbyists worldwide. You can create a wide variety of graphics such as illustrations, icons, logos, diagrams, and other graphics. Inkscape uses the SVG or scalable vector graphics as its native format. This software is excellent for creating and editing graphics to use for personal use or your business. And one bonus for you, OBS is great for recording videos on. I actually use OBS to record this video and every other video I've done. It's a great software for making it very easy to record your videos. So there you have it. Some fantastic free alternatives to expensive software. These tools can save you a lot of money without sacrificing functionality. Make sure you always download these software programs from the official website to avoid any security risks or scams. If you like my video, make sure you check out these others. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.